What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best jump rope for cardio. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the WOD Nation Speed Jump Rope. The WOD Nation Jump Rope is the epitome of excellence. It comes with ballistic nylon resin handles with patented smooth liquid steel bearing. The handle is connecting with excellent kink-resistant nylon-covered steel cable. So, the rope will give you the speed you always dreamt of. You will get 4 ball bearings where 2 balls are in the handle, and the rest is on the cable. The handles are about 6.75 inch long that will give you ultimate comfort while using. You can also adjust the cable according to your needs. The rope comes in a convenient carry bags. Storing it will not be a problem as well. For lighting fast revolution speed, pick the WOD Nation Speed Jump Rope right away. Moving on at number 4, we have the FITSKUAD Jump Rope, ideal for taking. The FitSKUAD jump rope is the last attraction today. This one is perfect for professionals and beginners of all ages. The construction quality of the best jump rope for weight loss is fantastic with top quality materials. So, the rope will last many years without any problem. The rope is 10 feet long and fully adjustable with extra large screws. You can adjust the rope quickly. The jump rope is excellent for all types of cardio exercises. It is extremely fast. With an efficient ball bearing system and 6-inch extra long handles, you will get 320 jumps per minute. The cable is thin and ideal for traveling. The construction quality of this FitSquad jump rope is impressive with top quality steel with a PVC sleeve that enhances its durability. The aluminum handles are also covered with a comfortable grip. Overall, the price of the product is reasonable for such quality. At number 3, we have the Fitness Factor Adjustable Jump Rope. The Fitness Factor jump rope is suitable for all workout enthusiasts. The rope is smoother and faster, also tangle resistant. The handle features useful ball bearing. The Fitness Factor adjustable rope is made of high-quality materials. Hence, it is long-lasting. You can comfortably perform all the cardio exercises with this rope. The item is lightweight and handles foam cover included that will reduce strain on your hand. You can burn calories and get the perfect body within a few days. The best jump rope for CrossFit is ideal for both men and women from any age group. And with the help of it, you can perform the following workout: boxing, CrossFit, and other low-impact exercises. At number 2, we have the jump rope best for speed jumping. Fitness Master is one of the big names in the fitness industry. They've been selling quality fitness equipment for many years. They offer their products at a reasonable price. The Fitness Master jump rope is an example of their fantastic quality. The product is not an ordinary jump rope, and it is made to provide speed. In a second, the rope can rotate 6 or 7 times. You can surely get an incredibly intense workout. The cable is adjustable as well. The handle features ball bearing for smoothest and rapid rotation. You will never experience friction or tangling like other typical long ropes. The price is good for everyone. The rope worth a try. And finally at number 1, we have the Crossrope jump rope. To achieve that perfect body you've dreamed all your life, the cardio exercise is a must. The Crossrope jump rope is one of the most excellent solutions for all your cardio workout. It is designed for every training need. You will forget your gym membership. Even if you are a beginner and want to learn, this rope is the right choice for you. The Crossrope jump rope is made of high-quality materials, and it has precision steel ball bearing included. So, the rotation will be faster and smoother. Besides, it will last several years without any problem. The rope is suitable for people who want to lose some weight quickly. You can get the intensity level according to your needs. Overall, this is an excellent rope for the price. If you try it, you will be satisfied. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.